What is up, guys? Brady with Mini Tech Clips, and today I am back with another video, and I have the Jaybird Vista True Wireless Earbuds. So basically, I'm doing the Jaybird Vistas, and I'm doing the Galaxy Watch Active 2. So stay tuned for that in a later video. But basically, these earbuds are $180, although they were on sale for $160, and they have 10 hours of charging in the case and 6 hours on the actual earbuds themselves, so 16 hours of charging. Sweat and waterproof, so they are, it says in the back here, they're IPX7 rated, so you can pretty much go out in the rain and, get down and dirty with them and not have to worry. 5-minute fast charge, so literally you charge it for 5 minutes and you get an hour of playtime, which is just sick. And then single earbud mode, so you can plop one in the case and continue listening with the other earbud, doesn't matter which side. I know a lot of earbuds, you have to have the right side in for that, but this you can do both. And then it also has the Jaybird custom EQ with the app, which is an absolute game changer. Like I can put a stamp of certification on the Jaybird app. It is sick. So yeah, let's get into it. All right. So we can take these off. And then I think, hold on, am I an idiot? Oh, duh, they slide right out. So they slide out like this. Now, one thing Jaybird does is they definitely go ham on the presentation. Everyone likes a nice box. Designed for athletes, built for adventures. So, take these on a hike, do what you do. Take them to hockey practice, whatever. So here's the earbuds themselves, right here. And there they are. And you also have a little, clip just to clip it to your bag or something. And then inside here you have your USB Type-C charging case or charging cable and different size ear tips. So if I go ahead and open this. So here's the case. Or the cable. It's really not too long, but it's a nice durable cable. And then the ear tips, they're actually like little cases for the earbuds, so it's this entire thing with the wings and the little tip, and it shows right and left down here. There's just different sizes, but this is how you're going to fit them into your ears and pretty much just have them comfortable. So there's a few different sizes, and in case you don't want the little wings, there's little like fins right here, so you can see the difference. So you have all three options. Okay, so with everything out of the way, we have the earbuds. So right here you have USB. Oh, wait. No, okay, I was like, hold up, micro USB? Nah, that's USB-C. You can see, plugs right in. And being it's USB-C, you can flip it either way. So just plugs in like that, and then you grab a USB, which is much better than the old Jaybirds. The old Jaybirds had some weird cradles. But this color is like, it's pretty much blue. It has a little bit of green tint into it, I would say, but it's basically just blue, if you just want to call it simple colors. Anyway, so opening them up, here they are, and they do look really nice. So here's your Bluetooth pairing button, and you just want to take them out of your phone, or take them out of the case, and they should pair up to your phone. So what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to take them out of the case. And they do have nice strong magnets, so I'm just going to take them out, and we're going to look for Jaybird Vista at the bottom here. They should be coming up anytime now. I don't think you need to press the button. All right, I'm just going to press the button. Just going to hold this button. So like a light somewhere. How do I know? They gotta charge up. Bruh. Okay, so I had to put them inside the actual case, and now I'm scanning on the phone, and boom, there they are, Jaybird Vista. So you have to put them in the case and then hold the button, and the light will flash. Pair with Jaybird Vista, yes. So connected for calls and audio. So now I can take them out of the case, and I should be able to jam. All right, we got some Travis Scott Goosebumps, so let's test it out. And this is with no EQ, by the way. This is just flat, straight out of the box. All right, so straight out of the box, they do sound very flat, not very loud. So now it's time to take it over to the app and see what it does. So here we have the Jaybird app available for Android and iPhone. So I'm just going to make a new EQ just for the sake of the video. But before we do that, we have to update. So I'm just going to click update now, and they should be updating very quickly. All right, so the earbuds just got done to 100%. Now they are rebooting, and I'll say your earbuds are now ready for use. So I'm just going to go ahead and close that, and then you can see the volume is way up, and I'm just going to, we like bass in this bitch, but we also need some highs. So we're just going to go right there. Actually, you know what? More bass. Yeah, there we go. And one thing that I really like about these earbuds is that no matter what app you're on or whose phone you're using, the last preset that was used on the earbuds will lock into the earbuds. So say I have this preset and then I disconnect the earbuds from this phone and I give it to a friend who doesn't have the app, he's still going to be able to take advantage of this preset on his phone even without the app. So I think that's pretty cool. So now I'm going to take it over. All right. Now, after using the app for a little bit and jumping through some different music, they do sound really good. The only thing is they don't get very loud, but you can, if you want a ton of bass, you can crank it pretty good. I would say that they should definitely get a little louder, but if you don't blast your music, you're not really going to care. And I also forgot to mention that within the app, you can control what the buttons do. So if you go over to headphones and you go to button controls, single press is play pause, or you can change single press from play pause, Google Assistant, or custom. Double press would be next, Google Assistant, next track, right earbud, previous track, left earbud, or custom, and then press and hold is either power off or volume up down. So I'm going to change it to volume up down and see if they'll get louder or anything. So the volume controls on the side doesn't control the volume of the actual earbuds. It just acts as another button for the volume buttons on your phone. So it just turns the volume up and down as if you're doing it with your phone and not a secondary volume control, if that makes any sense. So basically, these earbuds are sick. They are $180. Get them now for $160 if you're seeing this video in time. So those are the Jaybird Vista. Just like that, they're disconnected. So hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment and subscribe. Peace.